Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I'll be showing you how you can connect your Google Play Store account with your app review bot to enable enhanced functionalities as well as better review tracking for your app. For this particular demo, we'll be choosing a slightly difficult method where we'll be creating our own service account, using that service account and connecting it to our Google Play console, and then providing that account to our support staff so that our engineers can add that particular account in the backend, and so you can use it to fetch your reviews. Now, why you might need this account? Basically, when you are using your own service account, you can manage your permissions, either revoke it or give it more permissions based on your requirements down the line without needing to reach out to a support. Now, before starting, to follow this Flutter demo, you will need to have a Google Cloud Developer account, and in there you should have a project already there. Now, if you do not have the project or the account, you can simply create one. It's quite simple process. Once you have the account, simply click on new project to create a new project or use an existing one. Since we already have one, I'll be using our existing project. Once we are in the project and we can see this particular screen that you're working in the project name, you will need to go to IMN service accounts. Now, click on create service account, give the service account a descriptive name, click create and continue. Continue since we do not need to give it permissions at this moment, and done. Once we can see the account, click on three dots over here and manage keys. Click on add keys, create new key, select type as JSON. Click on create, and a JSON B file will be downloaded in your laptop or system. Now, once we have the keys, we need to do one additional thing, that is give it enable Google Play Android Developer API for this account. For this, simply search Google Play Android Developer. You can see Developer API. Wait for the page to load. Once the page loads, you will see uh, enable API button over here, and once you click on it, it will change to manage. Since we already have API enabled, we are seeing manage right now, but you will see enable API over here. Click on it, will enable the API. Now let's go back to our service account and make sure to have this account copied because we'll be needing that. Once we have the email ID, we'll need to go to Google Play Store console. You need to log in with the developer account, and after that you need to connect the app that you want. So for this demo, we'll be using Scrap Uncle. So click on Scrap Uncle. Then moving on to users and permissions. Over here, we'll invite new user and use the email ID of the service account we created just now. Scrolling down, we'll click on add app, add the app that we want, apply, and set permissions for this. Right now, we can see one of the permission is already set, and we need to simply reply to reviews as well. Click on apply, go to account permissions, make sure you have view app information and bulk reports enabled, as well as reply to reviews as well. Now we have this. Click on invite user, send invite, and invitation sent. Now we have connected our new service account with our Play Store. Now we need to connect to our developers and provide the service account key to them. They will handle it from the backend. Once the service account is added, you need to simply come back to the dashboard to store accounts. Click on add store account, Google Play Store accounts, and then simply search for that. For me, it was Scrap Uncle. So I'll search for Scrap Uncle, select, add Scrap Uncle to selection, and then link accounts. Account is connected successfully. Now we'll fetch reviews. Wait for a few seconds for it to complete fetching the reviews. Successfully fetched reviews. Now if you go back to dashboard, you can see our application. Click on manage reviews, and we can see the toggle is private, and we can see all the reviews for application. So the process is again a bit complicated, but not as much. And if you do encounter any issues while trying to follow this process, please do not hesitate to reach out to our support. We'll be happy to help.